forget to use a king, remember me telling you that, yeah? Hold up on the blood clot and not take no program, you hear that? God alone and me done. Boy, you have to know that. All the way a king. What you now do? Up and out!
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Wagwan, I don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. You know it thing set. You see it. So people, I have a clip here for show on Wagwan, car. The man named this Masicka wicked, you know. Yeah, man, them set him up, man. You understand? But pre that piece of clip here. So, this is the thing. I don't know what kind of team Masicka have or what kind of system him work under. But people, first of all, if an artist are going to enter the stage, right? The artist, DJ, if you go and line up, how can an artist step right on the stage? The stairs of the stage, zine, and they wait for song play how long. Zine, and member say, you know, the Rtel and Masicka thing, in a 200. So me I say, what kind of DJ this? Because there's no way an artist depend the stairs if go up on the stage and man up DJ still a player. A joke thing that man. The man them lily up the crux. Me I tell the people them lily up the crux. Cause how you feel left from your tent or you know whatever place them locate you. Remember, you know, somebody supposed to up there a set up, you know, the host supposed to be there and I say, yo, artists who no want to see and for forward and on the stage, and how come this man there on stage? And the DJ I play a Rtel song. And the worst thing, you know, are the type of song, you know. Tell me say if the man and set up Masicka thing. And him just did it like a little baby crook just a go on. You know, I try play it off, him I feel look around and him now sing a song about him I want rock to the song. Brother, some joke thing this. But pre. You understand? It's like, yo, some joke thing this. Yo, the DJ have a man a wait. A wait. The man them know. Let me tell you this. The man them know say Masicka the right high stage, you know. And you tell me say the man dead. A wait have all a hold on him head. The man a shame, you know. I don't know if him frost or him shame or but let me tell you, if me want artist, no boy could style me so. First of all, me nah left from under my tent till me know say, yo, stage clear, this, that. The DJ, my DJ up there set up, the host there they attack. Me nah go pan no stairs and wait till no DJ play no song. You mad? That's why I say, yo, what kind of team Masicka have? You people? What kind of team him have? You know see man him at this Masicka. You know see what I go on? A big disrespect this, you know. Imagine you think say Rtel could not go up on stage, right? And DJ the boy ma play a Masicka song and Rtel stand up right on stairs and wait. You're sick in your head, man. Enough of them top artists say you couldn't do that with them. People, at first me I see this. Me never see one DJ up on a stairs and wait for your next DJ play a song. A joke thing this regularly when you see the artist, first of all, as an artist, once you touch the stage, right? Once you touch the stairs of the stage, right? You're supposed to are ready for walk on for go do your performance. There's no way you reach at the stairs, and DJ still a play a song. I said them no respect. Yo, me I tell you, them no respect Masicka none at all. The promoter who keep the show. And must one Gaza promoter or something. Cause there's no way the man up on the stage and wait till all the people in my video regularly, you know. You have the host out there with and say, yo, Yo, who know I hear people? You know the intro and everything and be a video light and everything, but man them did come like Masicka and nobody. Man just want to look a baby crooks. Easy youth, I want to you. Easy. You know see your daddy song I play. Go on easy and go on party pan the stairs, man. I want to and easy yourself. You're mad. You think them could have do them something at a certain artist? Chano. Yo, look on the man just did it just a whole long he made like man I say, yo, what is what man did my youth? What man did me so? Man just did it well fully Louis V out. In I'm army green Louis V. Chain out everything and just did it on the stage and yeah tell me say man security them couldn't walk go up and say yo what go on? How what this? Say tell me say a Gaza DJ have a man and still they play. Me know a DJ can see who. So no announcement, nothing. No say yo, Masicka ready for forward on the stage, nothing. People are some joke thing this. So you see it a while ago people, he make a step, he make about 2 or 1 step up, you know. So it's like, he can't wait no more, but he don't want bad up the thing in him, if just go on easy and start move like, he might go up there and say, yo, this take too long, and him no want to, remember, you know, him no want to hear this bag of Rtel song I play, you know. You see it, but him know say, yo, him is a good youth and him a baby crooks, him have to just go on easy. I tell you don't play member, don't play with the Gaza man them, you will get this, you understand? Because when you check it, the man them have you on the stairs, bro, like a little kid. You can't have your team and your thing look away as a brother. Man them make Masicka look like some artist when no boss yet. I tell you, when a boss in the music business. Yeah man, I saw me see it. Yo, watch it. The man, people, there's no way no other artist this could have happened to. People, the man up on the stairs and the man even changed to a different song. And see, look, if you look on him, I don't know if I'm bodyguard that with the black background him shoulder, over him shoulder there so. Seeing? And yeah, tell me say, man, they up there looking, you know. And people, you go see what go on, you go see say, yo, Masicka attack team, cause I like him and say, yo, dog, what go on, me there so long. Just pray. Yo, boy, may I tell you, dog, Masicka, bro, I can't believe say you make the man name have you on the stairs and wait so long, bro. And you hold on your head like some little boy where them just conk up. Bro, no need for have a team, bro. Like, bro, you can't go there for perform, bro, and they on stairs and how long I wait police did this so. Corporal did it. Some joke thing this. Some joke thing this, people. May I tell you? Watch it. Look on him face. I look him a look over there now, you know. He must say, oh, what go on, oh, it takes so long. What go on make it take so long? Watch him, man. Watch it. Man, yeah, can't even open to bombard. Crocodile, yeah, is shut. He must fresh out. I must fresh out that man, you fresh out to Rtel. Watch it. Watch it. I like him, I go ask him man now, you know. Ask him man now, you know. Say, yo, how I go on? Like man say, yo, me nah perform, how I go on? How him take so long? So watch I know, see if then wait there. Wait them your people. Yo, look how long the man did it. A long time the man did it stairs, you know. And the fans them turn up how long, you know. You know how long the people them stand up there so after a sudden now they start video light and yo, Jano, look, yo, I'm gonna tell you people. The fans them see what go on, you know. And see the card where the man them a pull. So you know what them a do? Chim hold long him head and him look away, it's like a sympathy thing. So it's like the girl them say, yo, the man just cheer him up. You may see what go on. Them did a long time, you know. And them they say, yo, I cheer him up. Cause him look depressed. Yeah man, cheer him up, people. You understand? But yo, let me tell you this, man. You see in a life, you have to know what you do, dog. You see, man, we give strength back then, brother. You see, if you feel like say, yeah, you're the man and you're gonna start this, bro, and I say you better you never join choose. Me I tell you, better you never join the link, bro. You see me, car them thing I got happen, brother. There's no way me as an artist I got up on stairs and I wait for hear a man song where me and him not to, 100 and me up on the stairs. I wait till DJ done play. Bro, them thing there some lily artist thing, bro. There's for some artists where some underground when nobody don't know fam. A joke thing that people may I tell you, joke thing that there's no way me I go get booked for a show and me the on the stairs I wait for a song for play. No. After me no go there for listen man song. A joke thing this because look at now people. Bro, Masicka team them is like some little joke thing them depend cause there's no way, bro. You can't have a team and your team there and it's like, bro, not orchestrate the thing away and face say, yo, alright. Once you left and reach stairs, the host supposed to call on you now. How can two songs play? One song a play and then it switch to the next song and you're still up on the stairs, bro. Wait. And anyone them sound a big artist? Tell me no, people, tell the truth. You feel like say if this was Vybz Cartel, this would happen. Imagine Cartel left and go right at the stairs so. Seeing animal name they play a Masicka song, some gun song and everything. And have Cartel there wait. You feel say that could happen, people? You know that nah happen. That could never happen. You understand? You will never live to see that. Because the man them a got set up them thing. But through the man them know say, yo, Masicka is just a youth. Go over this. This guy's a boss ready. Alright. I show you something. I make you wait like a little boy. How that the man them do? How that the man them do, people? May I tell you? That the man them do. As some joke thing that. You see it? As some joke thing car. There's no way you did it so. And the people in my video, the man gave the mic. Then why you got up on the stage and you have the mic, bro? First of all, once you enter the stage, once you like up on the stage, enter the stage, you're supposed to talk, ready for go up on the stage. Why you up on the stairs and take mic and you're not perform for go, you're not ready for go perform on the stage, bro? You did a dance and a party, bro. You think me could be a artist manager or road manager, and the artist up on the stairs, the boy mad dance to song and joke thing that, brother. Joke thing that, dog. May I tell you, the girl them see what I go on and the girl them does. Alright, may I show you people. Look on the video. See? May I show you. If you realize, look there now. People them over there so long, I know a girl them I watch what I go on. See? Look how long a man did there before a girl them did there. And the girl them see what I go on. Alright, sis. Like some girl walk up. See the girl them see what I go on and the man just look. Like the people, everybody have pre what I go on and he's like, I must say, oh, just sorry, Boss look sad out, watch it. Cheer them, I want, the girl them just cheer him up, cause right now, the man just look, man, I look on the stage now, Like the man I say, yo, I eat that. And I don't know who that brother there, the Rasta brother there. I don't know who that. Cause there's no way a man up on the stairs and I know can't get call on. A long waiting, you see, the worst thing, a shame man, shame no dog. Shame man. I tell you, shame man, shame. Yo, dog, when they dance, this song them freak them, I tell you, yo, life, shake up it up. Look over them a do the crux boss, man. Man, I feel dead up on the stage like a little boy. I have to wait till Gaza boss song play. You understand? Them couldn't do this to enough artists, bro. At first, me ever see this. Regular when me see an artist go up on the stairs, seeing, already them ready for walk on the stage. So, me no know worry this no one DJ a play. Boy, that's the thing go here, man. Me I tell you people, that's the thing about. No don't know a thing setting the people. I want me the facts, you know. Yeah, man. That is it.